Hello everyone, my name is Fares Ben Hlima. I'm 17 years old and I'm a member and a coach in First Club. And so now I'm teaching the mentees the Java in Let's Go Tech. During these 4 days, I'm trying to explain how to code with Java. Also, I'm making them doing some exercises about the algorithm so they can know the concept of coding, how to think as a developer, as an inventor and a programmer. Also, in this camp, our goal is to make them make their own app, but there is a little problem, which is 4 days is hard to make an app. It's the first time for them to program and build their own app. This is why we challenged ourselves to make this happen, and you will see the result in the presentation day. I am happy for the progress that they are making. They are really a good group, full of joy, and they are excited about this new domain, which is the Java. Thank you all. I wish you that you will be happy with this result, and goodbye.